Yo, right now we're in Zagreb, in Croatia, in the capital. My cousin flew in from London. We're here with the lads. Yo. What do we do? Germany! I'm back with Lawrence.
Yeah, look at
And we got Lee here.
You alright?
Lee slept. You slept last night, right?
Like, it was beautiful.
10 hours, mate.
10 hours. So we're gonna walk around the historical center in the capital and check it out. We just left the Museum of Broken Relationships. So if you're in Croatia and in Zagreb, check it out. Some really funny stories, some really crazy stories about relationships and heartbreak. And yeah.
She's like, I got planted like at 10 a.m.
Oh, fuck. That angle. Right now, we're trying to make our way to the cathedral, and we're going down this path. I don't know. Flip. There we go. Really cool art. Really cool art and tunnels all throughout the city, underground. A lot of them are built for World War II as bunkers. So right now we run into a local farmer's market, and you can come get local groceries, and it's right below the square. We're headed to the church right now in the cathedral. So you have plums here. You have lime, lemons, pomegranates. Seems like everybody's packing up, so we're a little late. You want some grapes?
How do you choose who to buy from?
Huh? TSM, dog. All right, we have just reached to Zada, me and the boys. Show that to the camera. We're gonna go find some food. It's quite warm in the center now. It's cold in the last city, so that got us a little bit more upbeat. Oh, black people. I guess you were right, Paul.
I told you.
So you can see me right now. We're in Zade, and I'm at one of the most famous spots you can come to get local Croatian street food, and it's called Buza. So if you're in Buza, come check it out. It is Sunday, so it's not that many people here today, but we're here right now. I'm gonna show you the menu and show you what they're cooking up for us, and it looks amazing. I got the seafood, so she's cooking it up. She's gonna drop it in the fryer. So make sure you come and support them. Come to Buza, and it looks amazing, man. And the owners are great people. They're nice. So yeah, it's in the alleyway as well. I'll show you how to get here. And the locals in here chatting away, telling us about their city. Tell us up to the camera.
Not exactly.
Come on, Lee.
Hello, you're right.
We're gonna take 2 shots. It's straight from the village. The owner's gonna take it with us. This is Croatian hospitality, guys. Wait, turn. Oh, come on.
Cheers.
Jewelry. Straight from the village, guys.
That's really good.
Oh, it's really sweet. It's like plum.
Very sweet.
Figs.
Oh, I forget the sweets back at home as well. Yeah. It's like the love heart things that you get back at home.
That was good. See, guys, you have to travel. Come to Zagreb, come to Buza, come support. It's an amazing time. This is my first night here as well. Now we're gonna head up and meet up, back up with our mates, with our friends, and get back on to the Kraken. But like I said, if you're in Buza, come and visit this spot. It's in the cut. It's in one of these alleys. I know it's getting dark, so it's gonna be kind of hard to see me. But yeah, we're here. Zada. So So we're walking through the center. It is a Sunday, so I want you guys to understand that it is a low season. It is October, so this is considered like shoulder season where it's like starting to get chilly, so not a lot of travelers. And it is Sunday, which is a family day in most European countries, so everyone's at home. So we're just out, and we just arrived today, so don't expect the streets to be busy and buzzing. There's not that many people here, but we're just walking through, and people are like having dinner and stuff like that. So it is a lot more full than it was earlier, isn't it?
Yeah.
When we came out earlier, it was like dead.
Like within an hour, it's just all gone.
Yeah, it's all gone
Quite
up.
nice for a Sunday, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially the fact that it's Sunday.
Most places in Europe are closed on Sundays.